I'll try my best to be liberal. In Headlight Restoration Part 1, we tried to restore headlights using bug spray. It was a failure. This time, we're working with Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. Ta-da! Sent to me by my good friend, Larry Peck. 3 cheers for Larry. Restore clarity and vision to sun-damaged plastic headlight lenses in 3 easy steps. Step 1, surface activator. Step 2, sand and polish. Step 3, finish and seal with a UV block clear coat application. Step 1, apply the activator liberally. I'll try my best to be liberal. Wait 30 seconds. Start with the 400 grit sandpaper. Keep it wet. So we go to the 1000. Keep it wet. Now we go to the superfine. 2000 grit sandpaper, and we do that for 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. I think it works. That's the one I just cleaned. Here's the one I haven't done. Now for step 2. Apply a quarter-size dollop onto one of the white towels provided. All right. You will still see a light white haze to the lens. This is normal. Reapplies the surface activator and then thoroughly rinse with water. All right. Wait for 30 seconds. I think it works. Surface activator. Spray it on for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Then we're going to wash it off. Now we're going to sand with the 400 grit. So I'll use this the full 5 minutes. Now this one says go till it feels smooth. That feels smooth. Now I go to the 1000 grit. I'm going to do this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Next we're going to go to the 2000 grit sandpaper for another 5 minutes. Apply a dollop again of that step 2. It looks kind of like a dollop. Then rinse it. Okay, after step 2, you rinse it. We'll reapply the surface activator. I'll tell you, that looks a lot better than it was. Like I give you plenty of product, which is good. I mean, this is small, but I still got a little left, and I've used it liberally. I've just put the activator on for 30 seconds, and then thoroughly rinse with water. So the last step is the UV blocker applied with this blue towel. They say to wear gloves, so I am. So to soak this thing, and start from the top and cover the whole headlight. We'll cover the whole headlight and then the other headlight, and they say not to touch it for 6 hours. Well, quite frankly, I didn't think that Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit would work. I've tried a lot of things, but this actually works. It works. Unbelievable. These headlights cost 600 bucks. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. I give it 4 stars. I rate it 9 out of a maximum of 10. Really does a good job. Let's take one last look at them.